Website backlinks are just like you are creating relations in your life. As relations give you a reference business, just like backlinks also give you ranking and business. If you are linked with wrong people, you lose your actual presence. Same as you link your website with wrong websites, you lose your actual audience. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and in this video I am going to share some of the facts and the importance of backlink for SEO. Backlinks are a really important aspect of SEO. Google considers backlink as one of the most important ranking factors. But here are the concept where Google works and filters the website on improving their query. Nowadays, Google is very strict and easily knows which websites have spammy backlinks and which have quality backlinks. You permanently settle this thing in your mind. Without backlink, Google never ever rank your website in search engines. This is because 50% of SEO is all about building authority by creating backlinks, which we call as off-page SEO. Instead of creating 1000 backlinks, you can focus on creating one quality backlink from the authority website. If you are successful in creating a backlink from an authority website, then it is a great achievement for you. If the hand of president is on you, then people know you and everyone looks at you with respect and makes you shine like a star. Search ranking is the same game of reputation. If your connection is with wrong website, then no one loves to stand with you. Conversely, if connection with a great website, then everyone likes to promote you on the top. Links gained from relevant and authoritative website pass a lot of trust, which helps a site in ranking high in organic search results. Overall, backlinks are inseparable part of SEO. So whether it's 2021 or 2025, backlinks will be super important for a site's SEO. They send a signal to search engines that other people can vouch for your content. Hence, your company provides a useful service. So with this, we are ending this video. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Let me know in the comment section what kind of backlinks you like the most for your website. I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.